video, the most powerful spice in the world when it comes to stopping kidney disease. Taking just 500 milligrams a day for 3 months has been proven to lower proteinuria levels significantly. Gathering here, I've been working with people suffering from kidney disease for more than 10 years now. And today I want to share with you what the most powerful spice on earth is when it comes to protecting the kidneys, decreasing proteinuria, and fighting inflammation. But first, let me ask you a question. What do you think of when you hear the word inflammation? Maybe you think of a swollen ankle after a sprain if you are young, or arthritis if you are a bit older. However, there is a lot more about inflammation than just what's on the surface. Many people with CKD also suffer from chronic inflammation, which is a cause of constant pain. And for them, decreasing inflammation means not just less pain, but also protecting their kidneys. You see, chronic inflammation is a type of low-level, constant inflammation. It can cause damage to your own cells and tissues and lead to various diseases. And while acute inflammation is a normal way of the body of responding to an injury or intruder, chronic inflammation is never good. It can trigger or worsen autoimmune disorders such as rheumatoid arthritis or inflammatory bowel disease. It's bad for the heart and kidneys because it leads to the formation of plaque in the blood vessels. It can even cause or increase proteinuria. Inflammation can even interfere with the action of insulin, and this can lead to insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Clear that we want to stop this process because it can lead to kidney damage and even heart attacks. And yes, it is proven that finding ways to curb the inflammation in the body can help kidney health. One of the faster ways to fight the inflammation is improving the diet. Eating anti-inflammatory foods such as healthy fats, cruciferous vegetables, and antioxidant-rich fruits can really help. But there is one superfood, a spice, that beats them all when it comes to fighting the inflammation and protecting the kidneys from proteinuria. So what's the best food to reduce chronic inflammation and protect our kidneys? Well, one of the simplest and most effective ways is to eat more natural foods that have anti-inflammatory properties. And this is where our spice comes in. This spice is none other than turmeric, the golden spice that gives curry its color and flavor. And this is almost incredible, but a study showed that consuming 500 milligrams of curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, was as effective as taking 50 milligrams of diclofenac, a common arthritis medication, at reducing symptoms of knee osteoarthritis. And similarly, incredible results can be had on proteinuria levels if turmeric is taken in the proper dose. More about this in the next part of the video. And there are many ways you can benefit from adding more turmeric to your diet. But my favorite one is this drink you see here. I love this drink because it's the best way in the world of enhancing the properties of turmeric. Now, the benefits of this drink are powerful. If you drink this milk regularly, you may benefit from its amazing anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, anti-allergic properties, which may really help protecting the kidneys. And most of all, it will help with proteinuria. How is this possible? Well, this is my version of golden milk, and it is made from some of the most powerful anti-inflammatory spices in the world: curcumin, ginger, and black pepper. But why should you use my version of golden milk instead of any of the 1,000 other recipes you may find on the internet? There is one big problem with most golden milk recipes. Almost all recipes you can find for it are full of honey, maple syrup, agave, or some other sugary sweetener. So a lot of sugar, which is basically one of the most inflammatory foods on the planet. Not to mention that if you have diabetes, steering clear of processed sugar should be your top priority. Well, don't worry, I have a better recipe. It's very easy to make actually, and you will find that it tastes just as good, even unsweetened. We just need unsweetened almond milk, 1 cup. I prefer almond milk because it is the most kidney-friendly milk alternative. But if you drink a different type of milk, use that. Let's warm it up. Now in a cup, let's combine 1 teaspoon ground turmeric. This is our main ingredient, but keep in mind that curcumin in turmeric is not very bioavailable. That means it's not easily absorbed by the body. In fact, most of it gets metabolized and excreted before it reaches the bloodstream. So how can you increase its bioavailability? Well, that's what the other ingredients are for. Here we also have 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger. This is another powerful anti-inflammatory super healthy recipe that will work in synergy with turmeric. So think about incorporating these spices into your diet as well. Another spice I will use here is 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Great for the taste and also very useful for people with diabetes. Cinnamon can improve insulin resistance. And now let's add 1/2 tablespoon coconut oil. This is a great source of healthy fats useful to improve curcumin absorption. Fat can enhance the absorption of curcumin by forming micelles, which are tiny spheres that can transport fat-soluble substances across the intestinal wall. So make sure you always add some fat to your turmeric dishes or supplements. Alright! Now very important, also add 1 pinch ground black pepper. Black pepper is key to make the curcumin in turmeric available to the body. You can change any other ingredient here, but never take turmeric without black pepper. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which can inhibit the enzymes that break down curcumin in the gut and liver. This can increase the absorption of curcumin by up to 2000%. Now let's add the milk slowly so it doesn't clump and mix it. Notice that I'm using around 1/2 cup here, but you can experiment and find your preferred amount of milk. Done! Now guys, I have a challenge for you. I challenge you to try turmeric for yourself. Add some turmeric to your food every day for the next 30 days or drink a cup of this before bed and see what happens. See how you feel, how you look, how you think. See if you notice any changes in your kidney health and well-being. And if you do, please share your experience with me and with others. Let's spread the word about the power of turmeric because, as I was saying, especially those with diabetes and proteinuria can get huge benefit from this spice. Question: is eating more turmeric really going to help the kidneys? Yes, because you see, there is more to turmeric than just fighting inflammation. For example, various studies found that turmeric reduced proteinuria, which is the presence of excess protein in the urine. There is a review of studies in particular that I want to show you. This meta-analysis was published in 2022 in the IJKD, a peer-reviewed journal about kidney disease. What you should know about turmeric and kidney disease is that the best results were observed in people with diabetic kidney disease or lupus nephritis. But researchers believe that anyone with kidney disease can benefit from turmeric. More about the dosage they use in a moment. But how does turmeric work? How does it protect the kidneys and fight inflammation? Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is a natural antioxidant that can neutralize free radicals, which are harmful molecules that cause damage to cells and tissues. Curcumin can also modulate various signaling pathways that are involved in inflammation. By doing so, curcumin can reduce the production of inflammatory cytokines, which are chemical messengers that trigger inflammation in the body. In other words, curcumin can act as a natural anti-inflammatory drug that can help prevent or treat various diseases that are linked to inflammation, such as arthritis, diabetes, heart disease, cancer, and of course, kidney disease. But curcumin is not only good for your kidneys, it's also good for your brain, your skin, your liver, your eyes, your mood, and your overall health. Curcumin has been shown to improve memory and cognition, protect against skin aging and wrinkles, enhance liver detoxification, prevent cataracts, boost serotonin and dopamine levels, and even increase lifespan. Curcumin has also been shown to help with managing uric acid. High uric acid levels may represent a serious and underestimated issue for people with kidney disease. Kidney problems are often correlated to gout, a painful condition, and the curcumin from turmeric can help. This is why turmeric is not just a spice, it's a superfood that can improve your quality of life in many ways. And there is another reason why turmeric is so good for you: the taste and aroma of turmeric. Turmeric can add a delicious flavor and color to your food, and it can also make you feel good. Turmeric can stimulate the production of endorphins, which are natural painkillers and mood enhancers. So turmeric can not only heal your body, but also your mind and spirit. And I get it that not everyone will like the taste of turmeric. And if this is you, don't worry, you can also supplement turmeric. So question, what dosage turmeric should you take if you decide to supplement it? In the review of studies we saw earlier, various dosages of curcumin were tested and found to be effective, from 60 to 1500 milligrams per day. Keep in mind that these refer to just curcumin, which is only a small part of what's in turmeric. Also, duration of treatment varied greatly, from 15 days to 4 months. So what I would recommend is to start small and then maybe increase the dose. In fact, many studies found now that taking 3,500 milligrams of turmeric capsules, one with each meal, produce significant results already. Very important, don't forget to consult your doctor if you plan on trying turmeric supplements. Keep in mind that turmeric may act as a blood thinner. Avoid it if you have a bleeding disorder. Turmeric may also interact with certain medications, including antidepressants, antibiotics, and antihistamines. And also, I don't recommend taking turmeric at the same time as iron supplements if you take them. And guys, if you want to learn more about the foods that fight kidney disease naturally, this video up here is for you, and this is all for today. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Bye bye.